folks. And she's up the temperature up to about 135 on water. Our little mechanical deal is that should be 125. Every little line is 5 degrees. So 30, 32 and a half. We've got 129 here, so they're relatively close. As long as this dial going down the straightaway at Grattan doesn't get, say it doesn't go above 150, it's not more than straight across, it's here or down. I let off the gas, that number changes, this one won't change. So it'll give us an idea of whether the gauge is right at on throttle or off throttle. Because on throttle, it'll go all the way up into the 160s. As soon as I let off, it'll drop 30 degrees. That's why we put this on. So we'll go ahead and get it cleaned up. And it still drips quite a bit at idle. When you rev it up a bit, it'll clean up and go. But other than that, you know, we're just going to have to deal with the angle on this carburetor. We'll probably have to warm it up without the air filter on. There she is. How do you like that, Billy? She doesn't drip when you're on the gas, so that's a good thing. That's it for warming her up. We're going to get her back in the garage, let it cool off. Got to alter the chain guard in a little bit, so we got work to do. God bless. I'm praying for you. Hang in there, y'all.